Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and a fashion forever. Today we are decorating a beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. These designs feel fresh, bright and full of spring joy. We start with a tray in the center of the table. Add flowers like tulips, daisies for a soft look. Place pastel eggs around the flowers. Add small bunnies for a cute touch. Finishing with candles or fairy lights for gentle glow. This centerpiece is simple to make and perfect for Easter lunch or dinners. And reverse idea number 2. Nest style centerpiece. Creative on nest style centerpiece. Use a bowl, basket, a sheer base, fill it with moss or soft grass. Place pastel eggs inside. Add small flowers around the edges. Put a tiny bunny or chicks in the middle. This look feels natural and sweet, perfect for springtime gathering, easy, cute, and full of Easter charm. Idea 3. Elegant Easter table. Easter centerpiece is simple but elegant. Place one tall vase in the center with white flowers. Add flowers, soft flowers, greenery. For a clean look around the vase, place small candles, scatter painted eggs on the table runner. Use light color like cream, blush, and golden. This style feels calm and peaceful. Perfect for a classic Easter dinner table. Idea for farmhouse Easter look. Decorate with the farmhouse Easter style. Use a wooden tray or box as your base. Add small flower pots inside. Place bunny between the pots. Add eggs in soft colors. Tie ribbon twins around the pot for charm. This look feels warm and cozy, great for family meals and spring parties. Idea 5. Eggs tree centerpiece. We are making an Easter eggs tray centerpiece. Use branches in vase as the main shapes. Hang pastel eggs from the branches. Add moss or stones inside the vase. Place flowers around the base. The centerpiece is fun and eye-catching, perfect for Easter celebration, simple, creative, and full of spring spirit. Idea number 6. 6. Long tables runner style. Decorate a long Easter table runners. Lay a soft runners down the middle of the table. Place flower in small jar along it. Add eggs, candles, greenery between them. Keep the colors light and cheerful. This design flower beautifully across the tables, perfect for big Easter gathering, fresh, bright, and full of life and flavors. Idea number 7. Bunny garden centerpiece. We are making a bunny garden centerpiece. Start with the lower tray or bowl. Fill it with green moss or fake grass. Add small flowers around the edge. Place 2 or 3 bunny figures in the middle. Add pastel eggs near them. This look feels playful and sweet. Great for family dinners and kids' tables. Simple, fresh, and full of Easter. Idea number 8. Candles and eggs mix. Design and claim Easter centerpiece with candles and egg. Place 3 white candles in the center, around them with greenery. Add soft colored eggs between the leaves. Use pink, blue, and cream shades. This style is peaceful and elegant, perfect for an evening Easter meal. Soft lights, gentle colors, and spring beauty. Idea number 9. Carrot theme fun. Easter centerpiece is fun and bright. Use a basket as your base. Fill it with fake carrot or flower. Add edge and little chicks. Tie an orange ribbon around the basket. This look is cheerful and playful, perfect for brunches, tables, or parties. Colorful, cute, and full of Easter spirit. Idea number 10, white and golden Easter table. Create a white and golden Easter centerpiece. Place white flowers in tile vase. Add gold paint eggs on the tables. Use soft candles in glass holders. Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Fashion Forever. Today we are decorating a beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. These designs feel fresh, bright, and full of spring joy. We start with a tray in the center of the table. Add flowers like tulips, daisies for a soft look. Place pastel eggs around the flowers. Add small bunnies for a cute touch.